Plus, meron din naman ng purpose because I have to claim my Hermes shoes sa Shoe Crew at 6 o'clock. So, it's already 5. So, I still have an hour to go. And dahil wala akong internet sa bahay, wala akong ibang gagawin. Diba? Ayaw ko naman magsaya ng kuryente. Walang internet, hindi ako makapanood ng TV. Diba? Tapos wala pang signal. Worse is, wala pa talagang signal dun sa apartment namin. Kasi nandun kami sa ground. Hindi nakaka-penetrate yung mobile signal sa kung saan kami nakatira. This isn't my first time here in Starbucks sa Ayala. But this is my first time. Hindi ko alam bukas na pala sila kasi nag-renovate sila dito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ito na yung bagong look ng Starbucks dito sa Ayala Terraces. Yan. Bago na yung mga designs niya. Medyo may pagkahumi. Diba? Ang ganda-ganda ng design. Yung mga couches, bago na lahat. Saka meron din silang stairs going down there. Bamba ka doon. Yung mga couches, yung aesthetics nung Starbucks bago na. Kaya medyo okay. Kaya lang, I am not really fan of their chairs kasi dati kasi medyo malambot. Ngayon medyo parang woody na yung concept nila. So yeah. Plus, meron din naman ng purpose because I have to claim my Hermes shoes sa Shoe Crew at 6 o'clock. So it's already 5. So I still have an hour to go. And ang closing ng Shoe Crew, it's somewhere near here in Ayala. Like mga 15 minutes walk lang from here going to the Shoe Crew. Yes, and tingnan natin kung gaano ba kaganda, gaano kanindot ang trabaho ng Shoe Crew. So this is my first time na magpaspa ako ng sapatos, ng luxury shoes, doon mismo sa Shoe Crew. So, hindi rin naman ganun kamahal magpaspa ng shoes because as far as I know, it's like $399 and ang binayaran ko is $799. $399 tapos $799 is because medyo nagkameron ng yellowish ng color yung Hermes shoes. So, kailangan nilang i-fix yun. So, ang sabi ng Shoe Crew na kung hindi daw kaya nung material, yung UV rays na matangtang ang yellow, ilang buhaton is i-color lang nila. So, wala man sa gi-promise kung i-color niya or di. Ang ingon niya kay kinahanglan daw na UV lang daw niya if nothing will happen. Hindi siya mawawala, hindi mawala ang yellow, might as well i-repaint na lang daw niya yung ano yan, lapalapa ba ang tawag doon? Anong lapalapa sa Tagalog? sa Filipino. So, repaint na lang daw niya. Actually, mga twice ko lang nagamit yung shoes na yun. Later on, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura niya before ko siya dinala doon sa Shoe Crew. And let's see kung gaano ba kalinis yung trabaho nila. Yes. Hindi talaga ako nagpapalinis ng sapatos. Like, kaya mo rin naman gawin yun sa bahay. Like, kaya ako mag-brush. Meron akong foaming solution. Meron akong brush for shoes. But yung yellow mismo ng sapatos, hindi ko kayang gawin kasi meron naman nga nabibili sa Shopee, sa Lazada, or sa FB Marketplace na solution. Pero alam mo yung hassle of doing it and hassle of waiting, no? Orderin mo siya from e-commerce, tapos i-deliver. Ngayon kinakainis ko guys, is just because you will be buying an expensive shoes, di ba? Especially dun sa mga luxury shoes. And yet, if you're not using it in time, nag-yellowish siya. Kaya ako naman mahilig ganahan din ko white na shoes. I'm into white shoes, but sayang naman kung hindi naman mo magagamit. Like, not all the time you will use your shoes naman. So, especially me, I'm into shoes. Hindi naman lahat ng sapatos na binibili ko is nagagamit ko. Diba? It's a pricey amount for luxury shoes because you're not just buying the brand, but also you're also buying the quality of material, the quality of material and longevity ng sapatos. Diba? And plus, yung mga luxury shoes, timeless yan eh. So, hindi yan nawawala sa uso. So if you're wearing a luxury brand, like say for example, a Louis Vuitton bag, whether it was made like 80s, 90s, if you will still gonna wear a luxury brand like Louis Vuitton, come on, it still look classy, it still look elegant, no? Especially kung mga vintage bags na, hindi talaga sila naluluwa. Kaya yun yung binabayaran mo sa luxury brand. Let's say for example, you will be buying a shoe like for 2,000 pesos. Like right after 2 years, you will buy another one. So why not buy or why not invest on something na matagalan? Pwede mo bang ipamanan? Sa pagkakaalam ko guys, no, yung Shoe Crew, mga last year yata sila nag-open dito sa Cebu. Parang nationwide yata, meron sila sa Bacolod, meron sila sa Manila. But now, meron ng Shoe Crew Cebu, and basing on what I saw from Facebook, kasi ang ganda ng marketing nila eh, kasi meron sila mga before and after. And then, nung nakita na ko siya sa Facebook, kung ano maganda yung trabaho nila. Only to find out na dali ra jud di ay siya makitaan is because at bang na siya sa BIR near Ayala. Barangay Luz, at bang lang di siya sa BIR near Ayala. Basta papuntang BIR, padung siyang BIR. Di mo aabutin yung BIR. Basta padung sa BIR, makita na nimo dito na ay, ang tapad ng Shoe Crew is na siya yung ukay-ukay ng puro sapatos. Puro siyang naka-folding bed ka ng maligya niya sa gawas. So, tapad ato, muna na ang Shoe Crew. May lain po din lang services as in super. Let me check. Meron silang cleaning. And not only that, guys. Not only that is because ang Shoe Crew, muayo po sila mga luxury bags. Muayo po sila, bisag dili luxury. Muayo po sila bags. So, I went there like last December 1. And then to bring my Hermes shoes, and then I went back to follow up on December 10 because it's December 10. That was December 12. Yes. And then they also clean sa mga stains, sa mga bags. They also repair it, yung mga stitches. And basing on the conversation I had from the representative, I'm not sure if siya ba is mao nang artisan nila or mao lang rep nila. But more of like, I feel na mura manager man siguro or store manager man siguro akong kastorya. And he sound very knowledgeable. That time, I brought my LV bag, my messenger bag, and meron siyang tipak na leather. It's my fault because bawal talagang mabasa basta LV bag, especially yung leather. If mabasa siya, magsistay siya. So, ni-adto ko dito just to check whether kung sa man jud ang buhato na because syempre hindi lang siya pakakaog butang taog ka ng rugby, hindi siya pakakaog butang tang mighty bag or what. My now is there and isang tingin lang niya. So sir, akong nangutan ako nga, sir, kanang okay ra ba i-mighty bag rin murag ako ginak sa ani. Ingon siya na ayaw buting mighty bag is because ini butang nimo mighty bag na itun na kadugayan. He sound really knowledgeable. And then was may buhato na ni but however yung suggest na ko is like, hi. I like your hair. Natural? No, I like it. So, yan, nadayon ko. So, mo to siya. So, mukhang kaila si 30 niya. Abot si 30. So, huwag ko dito na, ayaw buting igil ka matiban. Kailangan kay water-based siya na glue. Kasi, if butangan ko siya o ka ng pakakarakabutang o glue, kay mong itom siya kadagayan. And then, yeah, he sound really knowledgeable, right? They also repair. I went there last December 12 to follow up my, for my shoes. And then I brought the two Chanel flops. I brought my reporter's bag. I have my reporter's bag. Kaya lang kaproblema sa zipper. So, nangutan ako kung pilay paayo. And then yes, muayo sa sila zipper na Louis Vuitton. Muayo po sila og mga stitching. Mo-change po sila og mga interior. So say for example, especially dun sa mga luxury brands. Of course, syempre kung mga palit na nimo siya mga vintage na, of course, mag-expect nyo ka na may mga slightly damaged na mga piping. In the through time, medyo nagkakamera ng wear and tear. So it's kind of hard for you to look for a specific like bag services na who can clean, you can take care, and whom you can actually trust kung magpalimpyo ka or magpa-repair ka ng mga luxury brands. Usually yung mga luxury brands, especially sa mga vintage, my gosh, ang hirap na niyang pangitaon and mas mahal siya. Mura na siya tuan, mura siya antique. The more na nagkadugay, the more na mas maganda yung condition, the more na mas mahal siya. So, better look for a specific service or bag services na who knows how to do their job. Thanks, Colin. Hello. Hello? Ah, yes. Hi.
Kung pwede pa, or okay.
Wala na, anak ko din sa Ayala. Anak ko din sa Ayala. Like, kaya ingon mo nila kay 6 o'clock. So, what happened?
Okay, sa
Actually, guys, tumawag na yung shoot crew. Yes.
If okay lang ba sa'yo, sir, i-deliver namin like 2 p.m.
Actually, nanak ko diri sa Ayala, no? You know, mag-close man ang Ayala by 10 o'clock in the evening, so I can still drop by. I'm just near.
Around 7 p.m.
Oh, mo gani. So, nanaman ko diri sa Ayala, I can drop by 7 o'clock in the evening.
Wait na lang mo, i-deliver po.
Ayaw lang. Kay naraman ko, kay mag-effort pamuog ka na nga nagpa-deliver. Naraman ko diri. I'm just like 10 minutes walk lang. Nara ko sa Starbucks. It's okay. I understand. But no worries. Thank you so much. Kaya ang tendency kasi for this season, since ang the fucking demand, madelay talaga. And nag-offer naman tumawag naman yung representative na pwede tayo sa Kalata community. It's okay, because I'm just here. I'm just 10 minutes away from the show, from their store. It's okay. Yung pag-alin nila is kung pwede mo deliver na lang, wala problema. Eh, pwede naman malampaw ka man sa food. More of disadvantage na sobrang demands for this season, marang hindi na ka-follow. That is something that they could have anticipated. No? Especially, yes, gagamitin yung mga sapatos, gagamitin yung mga bag na yan instead of bumili ng mga na dapat na ma-private. Kaya lang, hindi sila napifix ng bayad, ha? Kasi it's because they have to assess your bag, assess your shoes, what needs to be done, anong gusto mong mangyari, di ba? So, the more na mas marami kang services na ina-avail, the more na mas mamahal. Kaya yung sa akin, yung urban shoes ko is like, supposedly for cleaning lang. So, that's gonna be 399 pesos. Very cheap, ha? It's very cheap. Compared to Dr. Leather inside Ayala Cebu, my God, ang mahal ng cleaning nila. Like, lumiligo sila. Meron din naman mas mura sa services. Meron doon isang artisans ba tawag? Basta meron isang services doon. Services area ng Ayala. Nag-aayos din sila ng mga luxury, nag-aayos din sila ng mga shoes. Kaya lang parang hindi pa yata ako tiwala sa sapatos. Kasi nakapagpaayos na ako ng mga luxury bags sa kanila. Ay maayos ang mga trabaho. Kaya lang yung mga in terms of mga restorations, yung mga lining, yung mga stitches, parang hindi ko gusto yung trabaho nila. Now, meron shoe crew, they're offering their services as well, and mukha namang mas mga professionals yung gumagawa ng trabaho. So, mas mura. Mas mura doon. Okay. Tingnan natin later kung gano'n kaganda yung Hermes shoes. Actually, hindi ko masyadong nagamit yung sapatos. Kaya lang medyo nagka-yellowish na yung wrapper niya. So, cleaning lang sana. Kaya kinabil ko yung nalimot ng tawag. Ano ba sa mga anti-yellow? So, kung hindi kaya... mga kadito Ratix, nandito na ako sa Shoe Crew Cebu. Yes, it's just near the BIR. So, di mo maligo. Actually, pa-doon sa IT Park. Now, doon na kayo sa Ayala. Yan. Ito yun, Shoe Crew Cebu. And then, may ukaya ng sapatos to. Yes, may ukaya ng sapatos. That is going Ayala. Yan, going Ayala yan. So, hindi kayo maliligaw kapag hahanapin nyo itong Shoe Crew Cebu. Nandito lang siya. Yes.
Timing kayo mga dito natin services because meron siyang sugalan. So dito mag-lisa na tong camera, no? So again, here is Shuku Cebu. Yes. Diyan ko pinaayo akong ipalimpyo o ipaayo ang akong sapatos. And then panipaduti ID part while going kanang Picas pa doon na siya Ayala. So ana natin direct. So store hours is Monday to Saturday 9 to 7 p.m. But every Sunday, that's gonna be 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 o'clock in the evening. As you can see guys, like it's kind of messy because of the season. And that's not bad. That's not bad. They also fixing hats, shoes. There are a lot of demands for this season, and of course bags. They're also fixing bags. Yes, this is inside the store. Yeah. Limpyuhan man yan. Hi guys. Mga staff sa Shuku Cebu. I think mo ni nanawag na ako. Ikaw ba nanawag na ako? Eh ganihan na ako yung nakastorya babae. Yeah, si sir. Taman 7 o'clock na mo, no?
Yes, sir.
Kita no, Eva. This is LV Eva. Hindi pa ayo siya. Sabi ko sa inyo, mo ayo po silang mga luxury items. This is an LV Eva. Not sure kung sa bubaan ni or kung sa iba ayo. Yes. There are mid-brands as well. Coaches, Michael Kors. Yes. And that's like other shoes. However, it needs regluing man. So, it may require 20 to 30 days. 25 days to 30 days para maayo ba sa regluing. Pero ang cleaning services nyo, miss, 1 week as well. So, when you ask for their services, of course, say for example, especially kung yan, walang internet service. Especially if na kay mga luxury brands, yes, computerized, meron sila mga pictures and sizes, they have to document everything kay basi maglabo-labo yung mga butang mahatag sa lain. So that's how secure. And digital receipt na sad. So if you will have their services, the receipts, the details will be sent to your email address. This is my Hermes shoes. Wow, ang ganda ng trabaho nila. Amazing. Ay, kasi sila magtrabaho. So guys, if you have a luxury shoes, then this is the place to be. Shuku Cebu. So actually, kani ba na part? Actually, mura siya ganang na yellowish na siya, but I think dili na sila madaog kanang UV rays. So instead, so ang ilahang remedy is to re-dye it. Wow, amazing. Sige, thank you. Yes, this is the shoes. Finally, I told you there's one. May other luxury shoes na dinala ko dito na wala siya gamit-gamit. So, ang ending, kaya kung wala'y gamit, matangtang. Wait. Murag kaniman siguro. Ayan. So, ang buhaton ni Shuku Cebu is they will have to fix it. But however, in this type of case, it will take 20 to 25 days to 30 days daw. So, tingnan natin kung unsa siya kanindot. Sila kanindot mo trabaho pag regluing. So, meron na ako cleaning. Yes, maganda. Saksiyan ninyo guys. Ang regluing na lang ato ang tanawon kung sa kanindot ang ilahang trabaho. I'm very much satisfied with their work here. If i-rate nila ako ilang work sa cleaning and restoring the shoes, I would rate them 10 out of 10 guys. Now, so far shoes pa lang ako experience sa Shuku Cebu. Now I have lots of luxury bags. I'm not sure if he's the store manager or in charge here. Katong lalaki na kastorya na ko last. But he said that they are also fixing bags. Now, I have lots of bags. I brought my bags here and to have him assessed, and he said that he can actually do it. They're also doing that service as well. If you have luxury bags na ganahan nyo ng mga professional touch to fix it, this is the place to be. Yes, Shoe Crew Cebu. Yes, later, i-finish pa man ni Kuya ganihan itong sapatos no, sa Pikas. So later, si Kuya kayo, si manager ka Kuya, store in charge? In charge. So siya dyan ang ma-assess sa inyo ang mga butang if just in case mo diri sa Shoe Crew Cebu. And si Kuya sa na nag-assess na bag. But however, nagdali ko. Gamito na siya. So, kanina shoes, as you can see, it's kind of chaos because of the demand for the season. I understand. But this one is long overdue and I'm gonna use it maybe tomorrow na. So, si Kuya in charge siya mag-assess the condition of your bags. Magkano yung charge. So, mga basic charges nila, services offered nila na mandatory, but however if you will add other services, then of course there's gonna be another charge. Wala lang libre karong panahon na. Luga na guys, oh. So kung mori mo karong season, ako murag dugay-dugay pa mo guys. Ayan oh. Ano sila yung mga display? Ayos. May warranty daw siya na 3 months na sold ay. May warranty na 3 months just in case daw. So, yes. So, apart from the service, if you paid for, there is also a warranty that goes along with it. So, just in case you go here in Shoe Crew Cebu, look for that person, the best person in the world. Yes.
You're not just paying for the service, but you're paying also for the trust. No? This is my early shoes. Very clean.
Satin color. If ever may mang issue within 3 months time or any time na mag-abot siya, just inform us ahead.
Sige, sige.
Or pwede na ako mapapick up sa imo for free. Then
Ayun
deliver
na.
for free.
Moho sa taoy.
Sa ano na sa sir, sa warranty na sa sir na bilang. Pwede it's either pwede mo mabalik ari sa mo or pwede kung medyo lisod sa imo pwede na mo siya ma-pick up sa mo.
Not a problem. As long as I am happy with the result, then I'm good. As long as my warranty and my assurance, then I'm good. Nice ang service, guys. So karon guys, tapos na. Nindot akong sapatos. So just in case you have luxury items, shoes, and bags, this is the perfect place to be. And nani rin yung mga staff, butan kayo. Updated kayo sa ilang mga Facebook pages, sa ilang mga texts and calls. And dagang salamat, Merry Christmas! Guys, wala ko nag-expect na i-free nila ang glue na sapatos sa Shoe Crew. Butan kayo mga staff, no? No guys, wala akong problema kung ma-delay man. It's just because this season, naghan demand. Kaya sabi ko kanina, naghan kayo sila demand. So, the possibility na ma-delay kasi because, of course, kailangan nilang tarungo ng work before ibalik sa customer, no? But, ingon ni sir, since nindot ang feedback na ako, i-free nila ako ang shoes na ipare-glue, ipare-restore, ipare-paint, Jesus Christ. Dagan kayong salamat Shoe Crew. So you can find it like just in front of di na siya padung siya BIR guys So makita ninyo siya. Yan, Facebook page. Yes, we accept shoe, bag and caps restoration. Shoe Crew sa Facebook, Instagram. You can also call them at 0962-914-0354, 0954-248-9087. Shoe Crew, thank you, Gayu. And this is it. Bye for now!